In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to turn off pop-up notifications on your iPhone 16. As you can see, currently I have no notifications popping up, but let's just say you're getting banners and badges from the very top of the screen right here, and you want to turn them off. All you have to do to turn them off is you can just swipe down from the top left-hand or right-hand corner and click on this notification spell right here. From here, you can simply just turn them off just by having this on right here, and it's even the bell right here, and as you can see it turns them off. You can even do focus, click on do not disturb option. Now that will basically turn them off, but if you want to turn them off literally completely, all you need to do, you go to settings, scroll to the bottom, and click on the apps option, or you can click on notifications if you'd want to do every single thing and not just an individual app. As you can see, you can choose on which notifications are silenced. I'm going to click on this one. You can turn them on and off depending on the apps if you just click on any of these, or if you want to do them overall, you can actually choose the display for them, or you can choose when the iPhone previews the notifications. In this case, I'm just going to turn them all off. How I do this was I just want to click on the announce notifications option and turn this off like so, and this will basically just turn off the notifications feature on your phone. And yeah, it'll turn off all notifications, all pop-ups, simple as